Europon ninyo. So, hi guys, good afternoon. This is counting units for your Sino-Korean numbers. Take note that there is two counting units for Korean numbers and counting units for Sino-Korean numbers and counting units for native Korean numbers. Mas kaunti ang counting units ng Sino-Korean numbers compared to native Korean numbers. Okay guys, so number 1, won, monetary units. Number 2, cho, weeks. 3, nyun, counting for years. Number 4, bon, counting for minutes. Number 5, cho, counting for seconds. Number 6, bon, counting for numbers. For example, yung ilbon, ibon, sambon. Ayun. Number 7, giwol, duration of months. And number 8, chong, counting for floors of the building. Number 9, wall, counting for months of the year. Number 10, il, calendar days. Number 11, ul, counting for days of the week. Number 12,